It's funny, it shows the speed of change, I think, you know, time passing. It's a really difficult thing to describe, the feeling of time passing. So when we think of, like, say, a floppy disk, you get 1 megabyte on a floppy disk, which is probably like 1 JPEG. But it wasn't that long ago, and the world's completely changed now.
These are all collaged to make a portrait, so within each one you've got different shapes, so you know, it could be something under the eyebrow or around the nose. These ones would take a long time to put together because there's a lot of searching, finding the right shapes,